Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to taste the soft baked fruit bars from Red Tractor. This is a variety pack of 3 different flavors, choc berry, berry vanilla and apple cinnamon. They are all made with organic whole grains, and you will see a lot of this stuff on my channel because I usually gravitate towards healthy organic options. Okay, and let's get to the most exciting part, the actual tasting. I will start with the flavor that contains the least amount of sugar, which is apple cinnamon, towards the biggest amount of sugar, which would be choc berry fruit bar. I will give you a closer look of the bar. Okay, this is how it looks like. We will remove the packaging. And you will see also the ingredient list and nutritional information on your screen. I want to say right away that only whole grains are organic. Everything else is just regular stuff. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna cut it in the middle. And you can see the fruit paste inside. And it all looks like, the texture looks like it's it contains whole grains. So let's get to the tasting part. All right. They're very soft. A bit dryish to my taste. You can clearly feel the apple and cinnamon flavor. Yeah, they are, I would say, moderately sweet comparing to other bars like that. Overall, quite good, I'd say. And this is berry vanilla flavor. It contains 26.4 grams of sugar per 100 gram. All right, let's try this one. This is a bit darker in color. Okay, let's cut it and let's try it. And you can see that the paste is darker as well because it contains berries. Alrighty. This one is tangier than the previous one, definitely. Obviously, there are berry notes in it, but it's not that obvious, I'd say. Again, the dough is a bit dryish to me. Yeah, I'd say that I enjoyed the apple cinnamon more. And the last flavor is choc berry. This contains the biggest amount of sugar. Oh, oops, it's already broken. Okay, so you can see it's dark. Obviously, there is cocoa in it. So let's try. That's interesting. Actually, I have never tried this sort of bar with cocoa in it. To me, I think it's a bit of a weird combination of chocolate and fruit paste. So I'm not sure whether I enjoy it or not. There's a little bit of bitterness because of cocoa. And although it contains more sugar, it doesn't really taste like more sugar than, for instance, in apple cinnamon. All right, guys, another try, this time with a little bit of soy milk. I figured that these type of bars probably should be eaten with some liquid, so it would be fair to give it another try. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, this is the cocoa berry. I think about cocoa berry, my opinion is pretty much the same as it was before. So nothing changed. Let's see, maybe apple cinnamon. You know, much better with milk, much better. It's not dry anymore. I think it is just this type of bars. They are made this way to be eaten with a cup of tea, of milk or something. And berry. Mm. I think berry now is my favorite flavor. Yeah. So overall, with a glass of milk or a cup of tea, it would be much better. Yeah, they taste differently. Okay, guys, overall, I think these fruit bars deserve a try. Although they're a bit pricey, 9 Australian dollars for a pack, but it's 360 grams, made with whole grains, organic whole grains, sorry. And the ingredients list is quite good, so give it a try. And if you like my video, please press like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.